Okay, so let's make a chart. So first of all, we just click anywhere in the data series, and then we click insert. Now, if I was you, I'd start off with this one, recommended charts. Now, isn't that amazing? It's just got all these really great charts, and you don't have to do anything else. You can of course click on all charts, but let's just start with the recommended charts. See if this comes any bigger. No, it doesn't make it bigger. And you can just pick one. So this is probably the most useful. It's the one I like because you can compare all three branches against each other every month. This is quite a good one as well because it stacks them, because actually if this is your company, you're also quite interested in the total amount of all three branches together. This is also a stacked graph, so yeah, they show the same information, just visually a bit different. For this sort of data where you're just laying up turnover, this isn't particularly appropriate because it just shows everything as 100%, but in other situations this could be very useful, whereas it just shows how the total amount is split between the three different series. And this shows the stages in the process, so that isn't really useful in this situation. And this shows the distribution of the data, so again this is not useful for us. You could show turnover. I would tend to do a bar chart like that. Okay, so let's go with that. Let's expand it so we can see it a bit bigger. Let's move it over. So select the top, drag it over. Okay, so that's good. So first we'll give it a title. So turnover by branch. Double click on it so you can edit.